Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Audi Q8 Quattro. This one's gray. Underneath there's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 335 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. 21-inch 5-spoke alloys with black accents. The tires are in good condition. Big brakes with red calipers. This one also is the S-line. Black leather interior, panel sunroof, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, Q8 Quattro, badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, 3D surround view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen climate control, heated and cooled seats, gloss black center console. This Audi has 7,408 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi Q8 Quattro, check out feldmannimports.com.